Speaking of impact, your choice for dynamic duo, Coach Ale, ito, time machine talaga tayo. Yeah. We're gonna go classic na talaga. Your choice for your all-time PBA duo.
Well, as a fan, at first, as a fan, I grew up idolizing the dynamic duo, the original dynamic duo, Jaworski Arnaiz.
Yan yung original Batman and Robin.
Yes, but through the years, nakapaglaro ako ng basketball, and throughout the year, I considered Ko and Cesar one of the best tandems sa PBA. Kasi it's very hard to choose kung sino yung pinakamagaling talaga eh. But I consider these two, the Scholar and the Fortune Cookie, as one of the top best duo.
Yeah, so our viewers are looking at the graphic, no. So nakikita nila, oh, may tig-isang MVP.
Yeah.
So these are both MVP players. And if you look at their combined number na nag-mythical team, ito yung mythical 5. Okay? 9 times si Atoy Ko, 7 times si Philip Cesar. I mean, how hard is it to do that in the PBA?
Napakahirap, pero makikita mo naman sa kanila parang easy-easy lang. Both of them are members of the Grand Slam team ng Crispa ng 76 at 83. Balanse kasi itong dalawa eh. Very unstoppable si Atoy sa offense. Si Philip Cesar naman will complement sa defense. Kaya nga na siyang tapal king. Tapos he's one of the big guys that can really run the floor and finish the fast break, Talagang double blade 'yun. Talagang offense defense.